Hi, I'm Dr. Nicole and I'm one of the acupuncturists at the Lacey office, and in this following video you'll see me treating Keegan, one of our pediatric patients, and this is her first time ever receiving acupuncture, and she has a lot of really great questions that come up, especially with children, but also I get these same questions with adults, so hope you enjoy. Go ahead and show you here what one of the needles looks like. The ones we're going to use for you, they're actually very small. Can you see how thin they are? They're like hair thin. Yeah. And check it out. It's very flexible. You can try. Yeah. So not too scary, right? It's not like a nail going into the skin. And it's only going to go in about this far. So not too far. About like maybe 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch for you for what we're treating today. And these are solid filiform, which basically means there's nothing inside. So it's not like when you go to the doctor and you get a shot, nothing's getting put into your body. This is just creating an awareness and helping to drain some of that excess heat that you have from the infection, okay?
How do you only get that tiny bit in and you get that tiny bit out? How do you
So I'll show you. I want to show you on myself here real quick. So when the needle goes in, it has this little guide tube. Sometimes we use them, sometimes we don't. And it goes tap right there, and then I just stimulate it. So it kind of hangs out like that. So you can see a lot of the needle that's still there.
Yeah.
And then those stay in for about, maybe 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30, depending on what we're doing. For you, it's gonna be a little less. And I can stimulate them to create more awareness in the body. And then when the treatment's done, I take it out, and then we throw it in the receptacle.
It goes in, does it hurt like a lot of hurting, or do you just feel nothing go in?
It kind of depends. Everyone's a little different. So some days you might feel some more sensations than others, but generally most people don't feel the needles go in. What's common is people almost feel like a little pinprick, or almost like someone like flicks you like that. You're like, oh, that felt weird, and then it goes away after a few seconds. If at any time you feel something that's not comfortable, then you let me know, and I can always adjust it, because really you shouldn't feel the needles when they're in at all. Good. All right, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. I'm gonna have you flip over then. I'm gonna put your head this way and you're gonna lay on your back for me, okay?
Where are we gonna put it first?
So we're gonna put them down by your feet, okay? Sound good? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna give you these little guys here. You can relax your hands on. Do you feel comfortable?
Yeah.
The heat's pretty good on the table? Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put some alcohol on your feet. That's where I'm gonna put the needles. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean stuff off. Sound okay? Okay. You're doing awesome. You're the boss, okay? So you let me know if anything feels uncomfortable, okay? All right. Bryn, how'd we do?
It felt like a tiny pinch.
Tiny pinch? Okay, was it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, one more? Okay. Girl. How we doing? Good? Perfect. These are some ear seeds that we're going to put on. They're like little stickers that they go on your ears. They kind of almost look like little earrings, which is kind of cool. We have a bunch of different kinds. And these help stimulate the acupuncture points when you're not here. So this can help your treatment last a little longer. It's going to help with the swelling in your eye and to reduce that inflammation and redness, so you go back to normal. Okay, that's what's actually going to touch your ear. And this part is the part that like everybody else will see. So it's actually going to look like you have an earring in your ear. This doesn't actually penetrate the skin. It actually puts pressure on the acupuncture point, so that way when you're home you can still like continue your treatment. How's that feel?
It doesn't even hurt.
Doesn't even hurt?
No.
Perfect. Okay, so these ones you can keep on for, like I said, about 3 to 5 days. If you start to feel any discomfort with the eye, or starts to feel like it's bothering you, you can press and rub those ear seeds, okay? And when you come back, we'll take a look and check, and we'll see what else is going on. These needles that we have in right now, they're probably going to stay in for about another couple minutes, because with kids, you don't need to keep them in for about 30 minutes. Kids respond really fast to acupuncture. It's usually maybe a 15-20 minute treatment, and then we're going to do a couple other essential oils, and you guys will be good to go, okay? Sound okay? Perfect.